Roger Pettingell, Sarasota's luxury waterfront property specialist. And I'm in a really special waterfront location today on Bryant Drive on the Gulf of Mexico and steps from St. Armand's Circle. So this property really has it all, just from a lifestyle point of view, being able to walk out to the beach, but also being able to walk over to Starbucks or to Cafe La Rope or go get some clothes at Meller's. Like, it's got everything. I'm very excited to show it to you. I'm up on the beautifully sunny rooftop deck, looking south all the way down Lido Beach and over to Siesta and all the way north up towards Longboat Key. It's spectacular up here. This is the main living level of the house. So this is where it all comes together with this beautiful living room. It's got a gas fireplace, super comfy. All the furniture here is included. So you can just come right in and have this super comfy couch, looking at the big TV, or looking back towards the dining room, which overlooks the Gulf of Mexico. Big eat-in kitchen. And these cool staircases that go from floor to floor. There's also an elevator, but they're just architecturally beautiful. Coming in here, they've designed a media room. There's also downstairs a separate workout room and a separate office. And then coming into the kitchen with gas cooktop, Thermador refrigerator, and there's even a cool dumbwaiter that takes you up to the rooftop deck. This is really the perfect 5-bedroom beach house. Walk right out to Lido Beach, walk to St. Armand's. It's got everything that you want. We're listing it just under $9 million. You want to get in to see it as soon as we can get you into it. Give us a call at 941-387-1840.